Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Microsoft Excel series. In this video I'll be showing you how to create clustered bar chart in Excel. So as you can see, we have the data here. It's simple data, nothing fancy. Just sale for 2 years by quarter, and we're going to create clustered bar chart for it. So as with every chart that we do from previous videos, we're going to select the range of the data by pressing, not clicking, pressing on the first cell, A1, quarter, drag till you highlight the whole table. We're going to go to Insert, the Charts area, and of course we're going to pick Clustered or Column Chart. If you want it two-dimensional, you want it three-dimensional, it's your choice which one to pick. All you have to do is choose the one you want, and you will have the clustered bar chart ready. Now, similar to other charts that we did before, the pie chart and bar graph, you have several options. You can choose the design from here, which one you want, which background, or you can go and change the designs as you want. You can add any option from here. For example, you can add the data label. You can see that puts the data. You can change the axis title. If you don't like the color, you can double click as we did with other charts. It will bring the format data series. Make sure you have only one is selected, so not both bars. For example, only the orange one, and you can go and change it to pyramid if you want. You can change it to cylinder. You can change the color. If you don't want the orange, you can choose whatever color you want. And you can do the same with the other one as well. You can change how you want it to look like. If you want it a cone, just to see differences. I recommend that you keep it the same so you can easily compare them at the top. And you can also change the color, change anything you want. You can change the gap between the bars, the two sets. You can make them closer. And the same with the title, the background. Wherever you click, you will get different options, as we know from the other videos that we did. So if you have more than 2 columns, just selecting will give you a bar for each column beside each other. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on statistics, Excel, and SPSS.